can't taste it. It's 19th of August. I'm gonna get rich. Don't mind my dirty towels. My room's a mess right now, but anyways, I'm gonna get rich today, so nothing matters. So might as well make a cup of coffee. Goes first, Rakhi. Are you excited, Euro?
Shaken.
Shake hand, Euro. Come on. Yeah, it's only been 2 days, but he's so cute. By the way, this is my brother Arjun, if you guys didn't know already. My little niece is here and we are making Japanese jelly coffee.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I have a channel
You have a channel
of sorts.
of sorts. So all you need is instant coffee. I don't drink instant coffee, but just for this I did get a new instant coffee packet. This is Sunrise by Nescafe. 2 teaspoons of instant coffee. Nahi khalao unko. 2 spoons of brown sugar. Vegan gelatin. Hot coffee. Once it's done, all you do is a little mix and then you pour in your container. So today is all chaos. Everyone's coming back home. It feels so nice. Manshur, you wanna try? Taste?
Yeah. It's yummy.
It's yummy.
It's yummy?
Taste.
It's bitter.
It's bitter? No, it's perfect only. Oh, jelly pa palm oil lag gayi.
Is it safe?
It is safe.
Bro.
वेट मला एकच याच्यामध्ये काढायला पाहिजे नंतर आपण ती शेअर करू बिकॉज अस्थेटिक नाही होणार मग ब्लॉग इट्स नॉट गोना बी aesthetic. This goes in the freezer for at least 15 to 20 minutes. After that, I'm going to make a condensed milk concoction that you pour on this. It's almost like a whipped cream.
Second grade मध्ये तू. तू third grade मध्ये. Then you can make
You
McFlurry.
can crush the Oreo and you can do it.
Yeah.
Yum.
Say yum.
Yum.
She's eating the Oreo and then she's like, yum. My brother's watching 3 Idiots. Arjun, do you want to taste the coffee? Huh? The jelly did not form that nicely, but I think it did its job. I should have kept it for more time. The jelly coffee. The jelly did not solidify. Wait, let me test. It's really good. I swear. I swear. No, I swear. It's good. All it needs is like whipped cream and chocolate. Cold coffee like it tastes good. Vashika's gonna give it a try. She did not like it. You think he didn't like it?
It's like a medicine.
Medicine. She says it like tastes like some medicine because it's bitter. But coffee is supposed to be bitter. I can't put more like sugar in it. It'll be ruined if I put sugar. Little bit more sugar. Maybe we'll add some whipped cream on top. Okay. The next time tomorrow. We're getting ready for the Raksha Bandhan event, and I was about to do my makeup, and I was like, I wish I only get 3 wishes this life, and I would wish for an Adele concert, a fabulous skill in doing just eye makeup, because skin is manageable, but eye makeup, it's so tough to get right. And what else? Maybe $1 million, or billion, whatever. Then my brother gives me 500 rupees and my dress literally costs 8,000. Oh, now go! Walk out the door! Babe, you're not welcome anymore. Also on top of it, most of my cousins who don't live in Vadodara are back in town just for this. And I think only 3 of them are not there. So it's 6 of us. So it's gonna be much more fun. Oh yeah. Also, I posted this one photo on Instagram because I was like, let's be real for once. And my brother just looked at it and he was like, what the fuck did you just post? And for a minute second, I was like, should I delete it? And then I'm like, it's just skin. It's just skin. Lights, camera, action. we are applying a concealer right on the eyelids because it works like a primer and I was too cheap to buy a primer. Listen, I'm gonna get rich tonight, okay? I saw a girl doing this, so I might as well do it myself. Basically, all you have to do is tap 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 tap, and then you pull it out. Once it's patted, then you pull it out. My goodness, it's a Rakhi vlog for God's sake. Tap 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 tap. Disclaimer: I'm old enough to make these jokes. I have 2 master's degree. If you have them, then only make these jokes. I have 1 master's degree and 1 bachelor's, but 2 degrees, whatever. One of my favorite palettes. This is the Spotlight palette by Lakme. Lakme, please sponsor me. Let me come back when I'm done with my makeup. I'm all ready. This is what the makeup looks like. I'll post a few photos because I don't think so it's doing justice in this light. By the way, you already know what I was wearing because I posted it like a week ago. But this is the full outfit. All of it is from Kalki except my gorgeous face, the exquisite jewelry that I've curated from yours, and the slippers because the slippers are my mom's. I think they're mochi or something. Yeah, they're mochi and they're so comfortable and so chic. Rings that I'm wearing, my birthday rings, these 2. I bought this at my first sister's wedding, and since then it's been, I think it was 2015 when I bought this. This was when I was in my last year of college and I went to Dehradun or Dalhousie, I don't remember. And these are my mom's again, and these again my mom's. They're so cute. Look how gorgeous I look. It took me 1 hour to get dressed because the makeup was slaying. So might as well take good photos, no, for Instagram. Everything is on Instagram these days, you guys. Follow me, Akshita Pagar, AKSHXTX_Pagar. I'm all dressed and ready. It's just the people who I'm supposed to tie the Rakhi to are not here. So what am I supposed to do? So if anyone blames me for being always late, just know it's in my genes. It's in my genes and I'm taking amazing sunset photographs because I have literally nothing to do right now. By the way, look at this flower. It's so good. Also, if the camera drops, it's gone forever with the footage in it. So cheers, cheers, cheers. Cheers, cheers, cheers. Paying for rent, paying for shit. Diamonds on her neck, diamonds on her wrist. We are taking photos from InstaX. Oh my god! This is Arjun's. It's almost developing. Do you want to see it? The one that I took. भाई हाथ चलला पुढे खायला. By the way, Om is also my cousin. Om, say hi.
Hi guys.
This is me and Euro.
You?
Let's go.
Look here, see here, watch here, smile everyone.
So we are playing housey. Whoever wins gets all the money. Each person has to deposit about 50 rupees.
89.99.
Got it.
1918.
Jaldi hai. Said 14. Oh my god. Chal bro.
53.
You boy. Oh, so that you rock it out. You'll have to remove it. We are back in the position that we left. Yup, I am rich. I am a rich bitch tonight. Basically, what did I earn? I earned enough coffee for the next 6 months. Some Blue Tokai, some Cocolo, some Starbucks, Italian roast. Thank you so much, Arya. Thank you so much, Abhishek. Thank you so much, Om. Thank you so much, Aditya Bhaiya. Gave me a Forest Essential packet. Let me show you what it has. I think it's downstairs. But anyways, it was amazing. Arjun also gave me coffee because I specifically said no money. No money. We just want coffee. Yep. I have enough coffee for 6 months. After 6 months exactly is my birthday. So again for my birthday, I'm gonna be like, can you give me guys coffee? Then again for Raksha Bandhan, I'll be like, can you give me guys coffee? So for lifetime, I will have unlimited supply of coffee. So smart. So smart. But anyways, the photos were slaying. Do you want to see how bombastic the photos were? Go to my Instagram right now. Because we are at 66k and I'm hoping by the end of this month we'll have 70. 70. This is what it looks like. It also came up with a ribbon. My dog is barking. He never used to bark. As soon as he sees stranger, he just starts shouting. And it's only been 2 days. I'm like, how does he even know? Dog illusions. Guys, that's it for the vlog. I hope you guys loved it. I'm just gonna like remove my makeup, do a little chumpy and go to sleep. That's it. Bye.